out right here. Let's go. There you go. Come on.
Play that win.
There you go. Come on. Free ball. Free ball. Nikki, help it. Come on. It's all right. Out.
Touch? Cal, you touched that? Look like she barely missed it, but I can't see it.
I heard it. Come on, get the serve. Let's go.
One perch of the sidelines.
There you go. Free ball, Nikki. Let's go, girls. Free ball, Nikki, go, go. Play it, play it, play it. Jump it. They didn't play it, just keep playing it. Ref didn't call it. Come on, set out. Just straight up, Nikki, straight up. There we go. All right, free ball, out, out, out. Hop it. Oh, good. Come on, girls, set out. There you go, come on. Nikki, you're up front. Fall back. Good. There we go. Come on, one at a time. Let's go. Good. Good spot. Good spot. Good spot. There we go. One at a time. Let's go. There we go. Good. There we go. Let's go. Right there, free ball. Fall back. Nucci. Ball.
Say that.
Come on. Got lucky there. There we go. All right, there we go. Come on. There we go. Free ball. Help it, Nucci. Just help it. There we go. We need a new whistle. There we go. Free ball. Good spot. Oh, come on, win. Jeez.
Go, hit it that way, man.
It's all right. It's all right. Set it right here.
Help it.
Ball. It's all right. Come on, guys. All right,
11-9. In.
Good job, boy. Good spot. Free ball. There you go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right, free ball. Short. Good help.
Help it.
Help it.
There we go.
Good spot. Yeah, there we go.
That goes pretty good too. That's my first play again. Pretty good.
Let's go. Free ball. Oh, there we go. All right, there we go.
Free ball.
One at a time. Let's go, Bucky. Let's go.
The kids are there. They're like they get like 5'8", 5'9". Plus,
They're like taller. Good spot. All right, free ball.
There we go, nice.
Yeah. Free ball.
PJ, go.
Oh, there we go.
Free ball.
Get in center position. You can get in center position. Get in your center position. Get in there. Stop staying outside.
Straight down.
There you go. Come on, use it now.
Oh, watch the guy here like 6'4", 6'5". I should go in.
Let's go. Make your serve. Let's go.
He's reaching over. Like, oh my god. Wow, that height straight down.
There we go. Good spot, good spot. Good spot, there we go. Good spot. Yeah, good spot. Over. You can get in, get in. You got Chloe in weak side, use her. You got 3 hitters, go. Good spot, good spot. Come on, let's go. Play defense, go. Help it, help it, help it. Help it, help it. Come on. Push it high, bump it high, let's go. Come on, girls. Come on, girls, set out. Set out. Help it. Tight, tight, tight. What? Every single one. Help it, help it. Good. Alright, push it high. Alright, side out. Come on, side out, let's go. He's under 18. He's under 18. Yeah, that was straight down. Call boy. What, we like 5 points on left. Woo! Good spot, good spot. That was scary. I didn't look like it could go over. 22. 22? Yep. Let's go, push it. Come on, Nikki, run up. There you go. Come on, Nikki, control it. Let's go. It's all right. Don't force it. All right, start out right here. Help it, help it, help it, help it. There we go. Let's go, side out right here. Let it go. Come on, side out. Play right there. Side out. What? You guys didn't set up the camera? No. Yeah. Tomorrow we're going to have to bring it. So they're going to set up Good spot, good spot. Come on, girls. Side out. Side out, side out, side out. Come on, side out. Help, Nikki. There we go. Good help, good help, good help, good help. Yeah, there we go. Come on.
2 more. 2 more. Let's go.
Come on, push it. Free. Net.
Free ball.
Help it, help it, help it, help it.
Nice spot. Free ball. Free ball. Easy free ball. Turtle.
Help it, help it, help it. Easy help. Good.
Outside. Over.
That line. That's line. Come on, push one. Push one, let's go. Push one. Hey!